First, as you can see, we've got absolutely thousands of people that have come here to the show, and that's because this is the key hub event for the hospitality industry. We're very much a business show for the sector. People are putting COVID behind them.
Great for the hospitality industry. Lovely to see so many people here after 2 years. So much positivity in the industry. Great for networking. We just love being here.
And what they really want to do is they want to have all the products and services and technology to nurture their business.
The event is fantastic. The organisation is perfect. We meet people here that we would never be able to meet in a 12-month period. The event is so busy.
And as you can see, by the thousands of people that we've got here that have come to the London Excel, what they want to do is they want to move forward and they want to find everything they need under one roof, and we've got it for them here.
It has been great. This is the second time that we are here. We are really happy to connect with our clients and potential clients as well. A lot of our partners are here. It's just great.
Really good. So it's our launch, business launches today. So for us, it's about seeing everybody, whether that's a customer, an end user, a partner, a future partner, a reseller, and they're all here.
And we've had a great show with a lot of people looking at how they make their menus even better by having a meat-free option. We've been busy from the start to right now, so it's been an absolute success for us.
And we're just looking around, looking for ideas, looking for certain specific things, little bits of technology and that kind of thing.
It's a great networking opportunity. Had a couple of really good speeches. There was one by Christian led about the future of technology, which I think was really insightful. And yeah, overall, it's been really good to meet a lot of people.
It's been a great success for us. First, it's our first event in the UK, and we have been first surprised and super happy with the people we have met.
I've seen some great interviews and seminars, some fantastic equipment, and I've tasted the most amazingly delicious coffee.
We were waiting 2 years to have that show happening here in London. It is a fantastic show, has been a really amazing experience.
We've already booked again for next year. That's the proof of what this show does. The buyers are coming here. We're doing business straight from the doors opening.